Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Yulianti. Kali ini saya akan mempresentasikan mengenai fundamental of the World Wide Web and Internet. Objectives overview: discuss the evolution of the Internet. Identity of brief describe various broadcast internet connection and states. Describe two types of internet access provider. Describe the purpose of an IP address. Explain the purpose of web browser. Describe how use a search engine to search for information the web and direct between. Objectives overview yang kedua itu mengenai describe the type of website, explain how web page use graphics, animation, audio, video, virtual reality, and plugins. Identity and briefly describe the type of e-commerce. Explain how email, mailing list, instant chat room, VoIP, sama role of networking. The internet is worth working that line millions of business accesses and individuals. Revolution of the Internet. The Internet origin of ARPANET is September 1969 and had two main goals. Always setting up different physical locations to share information and work together. Function even a part of the network were disabled or destroyed by discrete. Evolution of Internet yang pada tahun 1969 itu di ARPANET becomes fungsional. Tahun 1984 ARPANET individu Internet is fundamental that 450. Selanjutnya, evolution of Internet X organization as response on for maintaining as our network. Yang kedua, Internet Connects more tahun 200 Universitas and 1915 combined via high speed private network. And Internet server to cable internet service, DSL, fiber, fixed wireless, radio networking, Wi-Fi, satellite internet service. Selanjutnya, access provider is business that provider in organizing access to internet for a fee. Ini contoh dari evolusi of internet itu sendiri seperti apa. ISP Internet Service Provider itu regional provider internet, akses perspektif online USB. Selanjutnya, wireless is provider TV, a computer or the domain name is the text version of an IP address. DNS server translate a domain name into text dan IP address. Ini contoh dari IP address itu seperti apa, domain name itu seperti apa. Ini contohnya lagi. The World Wide Web, or web, consists of a worldwide collection of electronic documents, web pages. Website is a collection of related the web pages and access item. Web server itu komputer that deliver request web page to your computer. Web versi 2.01 refer to website that provider a means for user to internet. Web browser or browser always user to access web page and web 2.0 program, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Opera, Safari, Google Chrome. Ini contoh dari web browser display of page, halaman dari web. Homepage is where the website display web page provider link to other. Nah, ini contoh dari web yang ada di handphone. Downloading is the process receiving information. Some web pages are designed specifically for Microsoft Word. Contoh dari aplikasi yang ada di handphone. A web page has a unique address called URL on web address. Ini contoh dari ini yang disebut web address. Ini contoh dari tabel browsing. Tabel browsing itu seperti ini. Google, ada the Confess, ada MS.com. Ini multi table tabs open. Ini gambar-gambar ini link. Ini kayak ada menu atau game, itu pointer. Two types of search, to server engineer and subject director. To search engineer itu terdiri dari informasi sama topik. Subject director itu web page and kategori original. Ini contoh dari web user sectors seperti ini. Search engine all have in lokasi item use image, video, audio, publication, map, popular, people or business, blogs. Ini contoh dari step-step how use search engine itu seperti apa. Some web browser contain an instance search box to elect the web or display the search engine web prior and entering the search text. Search operator and can help to refine user. Search engine operator itu seperti ini. Ini contoh dari the 30 table of website. Ada portal, news, informasi, bisnis atau marketing, blog, wiki, online, social network, education. Entertainment, advox, web aplikasi, content aggregator. Terus ini contoh video dari Tell Your Stories and via vlog. Information present on the web must efficacy of a sharing. No one oversees the connect of the page. Media refers to only application that combines the text web, the graphics, animasi, audio, video, virtual reality. Grafik, apa sih grafik itu? Grafik itu is a digital reference of not-block information. Graphic format include BMI, GIF, dalam bentuk GIF, JPEG, PNG, adaptive. is small version of rare and gratis. Animation is the appearances of emote created by display a series of still image and sequence. Audio itu include music, speed, or other sound. You listen to audio on your computer using a player. Streaming is the process of transferring data in a continuous and even flow. Ini contoh-contohnya seperti ini. Video consists of image display in animation. Nah, ini contoh dari gambar sama video. Reality FR is the use of computer to simulate a real environment that operates three-dimensional space. Outlook is a program that expands the capability of web browser. Web publishing is the development and maintenance of websites. Develop a website, analyze and design a website, create a website, display a website, maintain a website. E-commerce is business trends the acquires over an electronic network. E-commerce itu terjadi bisnis consumer sama business to business, consumer to consumer, business to customer. Step-step dari e-commerce. Other internet service email is the transmission of message and file via a computer network. And an email program always use that create, send, receive, forward, store, print, and delete the email message. Ini contoh step-step dari pengiriman email. Mailing list a group of email names and address given a single name. Subtract and your email name and address. Subscribe itu remove your name. Instant message and real-time internet communication service. A real-time type conversational that takes place at a computer. A chat room is a location of internet server that permits user to chat with each other. Contoh dari Other Internet Service VoIP, Voice over IP, enable user to speak to other user over the internet. Ini contoh dari VoIP itu sendiri. News group itu seperti inilah ya gambarnya. News group itu online area, sama message board itu website type of description. FTP, File Transfer Protocol, is an internet standard that permits file uploading, downloading with other computer at the internet. Next stable internet before web browsing other internet via VoIP, FTP, rules of internet. Ya, itu tadi presentasi dari saya. Apabila ada salah-salah kata, mohon maaf. Saya akhiri dengan wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.